I am nervous.
Why are you nervous?
My flight is today.
Yes, big day.
I feel excited.
That is normal.
I hate airports.
Why?
Too many people.
Too much noise.
And long lines.
We will be fine.
I hope so.
What time is it?
5:30 p.m.
We should leave.
Already?
Yes, traffic is bad.
Okay, let's go.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, in my bag.
Your ticket?
On my phone.
Charger?
Yes, relax.
I worry too much.
I know.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
First solo trip.
Yes, first time alone.
You are brave.
I don't feel brave.
You are stronger than you think.
Thank you.
Wow, it is crowded.
Very crowded.
Look at that line.
Stay calm.
I feel stressed.
Take a deep breath.
Okay, breathing.
Good.
Where is check-in?
Over there.
Let's go.
Show your passport.
Here it is.
Done. That was easy.
Easier than I thought. I hate this part.
It is quick.
I hope so.
Put your bag here.
Shoes off?
Yes, shoes off.
This feels strange.
Just follow instructions.
Okay,
You are doing great.
really?
Yes, very calm.
I am proud of myself.
You should be.
We still have time.
Yes, 20 minutes.
Let's sit there.
Good idea.
I see a coffee shop.
One coffee,
Yes, please.
one cappuccino,
And one sandwich.
coming right up.
Thank you.
Here you go.
This helps.
Feeling better?
Much better. I will miss you.
I will miss you too.
It is only 2 weeks.
Yes, just 2 weeks.
But still,
Time will fly.
promise to call me.
Every day.
Video call.
Of course.
You are the best.
No, you are.
That is my flight.
Yes, it is time.
I feel emotional.
Come here.
Big hug.
Big hug.
Thank you for coming.
Always.
I can do this.
Yes, you can.
I am not scared now.
I am proud of you.
See you soon.
Safe flight.
I am on the plane.
Text me.
I will.
How do you feel?
Calm.
And excited.
Very excited.
Good.
I see the runway.
Ready for takeoff.
Ready?
Enjoy the journey.
I will.
This is your moment.
Yes, my new adventure.
You are brave.
I believe that now.
See you soon.
See you soon.